We're here today to talk about the differences between the Mini-RocketBox OG and the Mini-RocketBox Plus. The upgrades to the Mini-RocketBox Plus unit. We're starting out with one, the lift plate. You'll see the subtle difference on the inside of the machine here where there's actually riser bolts on the bottom that come with the machine, and as well as you'll also notice a lift plate that usually fits right inside of this here. A distinct and not so subtle difference between the Mini-RocketBox Plus and the Mini-RocketBox OG, which does not have those components. What the lift plate does in the Mini-RocketBox Plus is it lifts the cones from the crutch, the base of them, up, keeping them as even as possible from the bottom up, allowing for the most even fill lines in every single cone. So as we can see, the lift plate is utilized to give us an even cone from the base up. But what we can also see here too is that all of our cones may range in height. You can look from the bottom tray here, from the left to right, seeing that we see a wide range of different heights and cone sizes. This is something we all struggle with in the industry, and we're combating right now with our lift plate in the Mini-RocketBox OG as well as the RocketBox 2.0. The Mini-RocketBox Plus comes with the bottom tray upgraded. This means that our machine is capable of now having less cone crushing problems, and we saw that as an issue over here at the Mini-RocketBox OG. The Mini-RocketBox OG model bottom tray comes with riser bolts or riser bars on the side over here, as well as the cones don't really drop as far into the bottom tray. The Mini-RocketBox Plus bottom tray actually allows our cones to drop further into it, as well as allows us to move a little bit faster when we're loading these cones. The differences between the top trays of the OG Mini-RocketBox as well as the Mini-RocketBox Plus is the Mini-RocketBox Plus actually has an adjustable top tray, allowing us to be able to move it up and down, adjusting and changing our fill lines, as well as avoiding crushing any cones, versus where the OG Mini-RocketBox doesn't have the ability to do such a thing. Getting those cones to the right fill rate, fill line, or keeping those cones from getting crushed is completely changed with the Mini-RocketBox Plus edition versus our Mini-RocketBox OG, which is incapable of such adjustments.